In today's video, I would like to show you a great smoothie recipe that I recently loved to make because it is loaded with antioxidants, nutrients, and a lot of magnesium. And I also put in some avocado, which is great to make your smoothies creamier, and I love to add them to my smoothies. Hello guys, I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel here. And we also have social media with all new fresh content daily, so let's be friends on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter and on Pinterest. Our account name is Bites Fitness, and of course you can find all the links in the description below as well. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this smoothie recipe. Okay, so first of all, we will need one banana. You can use frozen bananas as well if you like your smoothies to be cooler. We will also need a half of an avocado. We will need a quarter of a cucumber. We will also need a handful of frozen berries. I have blueberries. You can use mixed berries as well. We will also need a handful of some spinach, fresh spinach leaves, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder because it is also rich in magnesium, and some plant milk of your choice, coconut milk, almond milk, or you can even use water if you prefer. So first, our bananas, our cucumber, a quarter of a cucumber, our frozen blueberries, our avocado, half of an avocado, a handful of spinach, and 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. And I will add some water, about 100 milliliters, and about 150 milliliters of coconut milk. And let's blend everything nicely together. Okay, and what's left is to pour it in a glass. Ooh, it's thick. It's really nice and thick. Ooh, and it smells really good as well. So what's left is to do our taste test, and let's see how our smoothie turned out. Ooh, it's really good, really. I love this so much. You need to try this, seriously. I really like to make this smoothie because it is a real healthy energy bomb. It is rich in antioxidants, it is great for the digestion because of the cucumber and the spinach. It is rich in magnesium because of all the ingredients, and the cocoa powder as well, which is unsweetened, so it is not made with sugar. And of course the avocado, which doesn't only make your smoothie creamier, but it is also a great superfood. It is full of healthy fats and it is amazing for you. So I really recommend you try this smoothie and make it yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and if you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button And also please leave me a comment below whether you like making smoothies for yourself, what are your favorite smoothies. I would love to hear from you guys and I would love to try them for myself, so please let me know. And of course, until the next video, bye guys! If you like this video, please check out the recommended videos next to me because you might find something that you also enjoy. And of course, please check out the Bites Fitness YouTube channel where you can find a lot of related similar content with nutrition and recipes as well. So please check that out.